Hi Eileen Bayer, the PM here. Welcome to another My Therabox unopening. As you can see, this is June's My Therabox and I haven't even taken it out. So let's see what's inside of June's My Therabox together, shall we? I'm just going to make it easy and just cut this real quick so we can take it out. Put my scissors down. Hold on. There we go. And we're going to check out the My Therabox together. I'm gonna make some space. So here we go. Well, the first thing that you get in the box is Hello Summer. And in these little books it shows you everything. I'm just going to kind of skim through the pages. But it shows you everything that's in the books and gives you a description of it. Now, the My Therabox is a monthly subscription. You can get it for 1 month at a time. You can give it as a gift. You can do 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Now, the first thing that we get in the box is Power Yoga at Home, a $30 value to learn yoga. And on the back, you have this that you can use. Let me get this into focus, which is a $100 value. Now, this may go to somebody, or I might keep it. You'll never know. Now, the first thing in the box is Electro Hydrator mix. Their drinks, as you can see here, the little sample packages, I guess, that you put in to refill your electrolytes. That's a nice little thing to have in the summer, especially, if you're outside, you lose a lot of your electrolytes in the heat. And the next thing we have is Super Bamboo Light Day Cream Pollution Shield. And that's what that looks like. I'm holding it up so you can see it. And that's the back of it. Now, each box we get every month is something different. I don't care if you got it for 2 years. You'll never, ever, ever get the same thing in the box. You may get a lot of things that are similar to what you got before, but not the same product. And the nice thing about the My Therabox is the box has been created and put together by mental health therapists. And it is a self-help box. This one is for females, but they do have boxes out there for men. And this is an After Sun Soul-tastic root right there that you put on after you've been out in the sun. Now, if I have a lot of similar products to what's in here, a lot of times I'll incorporate these in my own mystery boxes. And this one is Chaiki Botanica Glow Nectar. So you can see it there. And I'm not going to tell you what ones, if any of them will be going in my own mystery box that I put together, that I give away, or not. So, because my boxes, a lot of the things are the same, but they're essential oil items, which a lot of these are, but they're things that I do along with some of these items and other things. And here you have Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. Now I'll take it out of the box just to show you what it looks like. Can't because the box is sealed, so we're not going to unseal the box. And then we look further. And then here you have bar soap. Work incense bar soap, lemongrass, made with olive oil, organic coconut oil, water, shea butter, sodium hydroxide, cocoa butter, castor oil, lemongrass essential oil, and dried lemon balm. And there's your soap there, and if the box isn't sealed, which it doesn't look like, I will show you what it looks like. And this is the soap, so you can see it. And here's their card for it. It smells nice, lemony. And let's see if there's anything else in here. We do feel something. Whoops. And then we have outdoor exterior roll-on right here. Let me see if you can see it. Get it up close and focus. There you go. And there's one more item in here. Yep, just this last item. I gotta brush it because it's got that. Which is the pivot book. Change isn't coming, it's here. And it tells you obstacles. It's a planning book. Pretty neat. So that's the last item. So you can see every year, like last summer's box, I got a summer blanket in it. This year, we got the pivot. Now, I'm just trying to make sure I get this all put back in for now. There we go. And then later on, I will see what, if anything, will be going in my own mystery box. But there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now remember, this is a subscription box. Like I said, you can get it 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year. And of course, there are different prices. You can give it as a gift. I like the My Therapy box, the My Therabox. I do not get paid to do them. I use the products myself. I love My Therabox. I've had a lot of friends around me ask, how do I keep my skin so soft? I mean, I'm almost 60 years old, guys. My skin has lost a lot of the electricity in it. You know, the collagen that keeps it. We lose that as we get older, but my skin is still soft. But it's because I use all the My Therabox products. Like I said, I'm not getting paid. It's just something that I enjoy. And I hope you like the new background, guys. While I'm here, I've been redoing the desk. As you can see, I'm in the new chair. I have the new green screen behind me with my labels from the favorite beer that I like, my RARs. And now the only thing left is going to be replacing the desk, but I'll do an update video on everything in the room once I get everything done. I just wanted to do the My Therabox. But before I let you go, let me get close to you right now. I want you all to think with your hearts. See with your hearts and not your eyes. When you just see people with your eyes, you miss out on who they are. Because when you see people with your eyes, you end up being judgmental. You may not realize it, but you are, because you're just seeing the shell. When you talk to somebody, look inside. Listen from your heart. Your heart has been put there not just to pump blood to keep you alive, but your heart, it's like an automobile engine. It's like your battery. It has so many functions. It helps you to see the proper way. If you listen with you can listen with your heart. You can see with your heart. You feel with your heart. Don't let what you see here. Okay, just look at me. I've had people look at me because as you're looking at this video and watching me, you'll see one of my eyes are turning in. I have a lazy eye. So it looks like I'm giving you the evil eye. So people judge me. Oh, I don't like her. She's giving me that evil eye. I'm not giving nobody the evil eye. This is how I see. Okay? But that's what happens when people see with their eyes and not their hearts. They judge wrongly. So please remember, see with your heart and not with your eyes, because what your eyes see doesn't matter. What really counts is invisible to the eye, because only the heart can see it. So until I see you, I love you all. Have an awesome, awesome 4th of July weekend that's coming up. And this will probably get posted Tuesday. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.